Honorable Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity, and I would want to correct this notion that only those who oppose the government speak for the people. Honorable Speaker, when a government is formed, be it those who voted for that government or those who opposed that government at the ballot, it then becomes one universal government for the day, Honorable Speaker. And to delude people into believing that there is a section that can only represent the wishes of the people to the detriment of those who are also in this house but are supporting the cause of government is misplaced, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, we have constantly, right from the onset, seen a kind of desperation here where there are people trying to whip up emotions of the Kenyan citizenry so that whatever they have planned, be it on the 25th, 26th, I don't know when, that it must have to be achieved by giving the wrong information to the populace out there, Honorable Speaker. We have a document that all of us have read. We do know that the government must also run its programs, Honorable Speaker, and it is not only restricted to the Republic of Kenya. Every government must mop up funds to run programs, be it recurrent expenditure and development, Honorable Speaker. And when we have a document such as this that is before us, it has to be read with a tooth comb and critique where necessary, but only basing on facts and not conjecture, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, it behoves all of us in this House who represent the wishes and the plight of the people out there to be factual. And that also helps our people make a deliberate decision, be it those who are in this House and those who are outside this House, Honorable Speaker. So I implore upon each and every individual here to restrict themselves to the confines of this document without necessarily being extra. I hope you will have your time, honorable members. That we do not have to be extra, without necessarily understanding the depth and the width of the document that is before us, Honorable Speaker. And I thank you for the opportunity.